ensemble. Now this one, you need a lot of space for this one. So I'm just going to mark it in here because this space is much too tiny. You need to travel beautifully across on a diagonal across the room. So I'm just going to do it very, very small. So we're going to start off with our right leg forwards and our left arm forwards, so opposite arm to leg. And we would travel forwards with our step hops. So we step hop up, step up, step hop up, step hop up. Okay, again, and step hop, step hop, step hop, step hop. And then we're going to run forwards. Going to rise on our toes, and our arms are in first position. Going to run, 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 run. And then, let me go back a bit for you. You're going to step across, and you're going to do your ensemble. So even if you can just practice these at home, that would be wonderful. So you can cross, you swish up here, and then you're going to land on 2 feet here. So you step across, swish through, up, and land together. Okay, so we are running across, 1, 2, and so your leg that is closest to the audience or closest to your iPad or whatever you're using, and you go across, step, swish, and jump. And you're going to finish with one arm up and one arm's going down. So it's a straight line from your fingertips all the way down to your fingertips that side. And your chin is up, nice and elegant, looking up. So that is how you want to finish. So let's go from the beginning. We've got our right leg forwards, left arm forwards, and we're going step, hop, step, hop, step, hop, step, hop, run, 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 step across, swish onto your ensemble, and land, making sure that you're facing your audience, okay, so that they can see that lovely line here and your head up there. Okay, let's try that with the music. I'm going to just be doing it on the spot though, so if you have a bit more space than I do, that's lovely, you can travel a bit more. Okay, here we go.